Hey filmmaker, Chung here. In this video, we're going to teach you how to do a quick RGB split inside of Premiere Pro CC 2018. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button here below and also make sure hit the bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. So inside of CC 2018, they added a lot of new effects and also for VR control. And if we go into the effects here and also go into video effects, we can find a folder called Immersive Video. There we can find the effect Chromatic Aberration. If we drag this onto our clip on the timeline, we can see an RGB split happening. It happens in the middle though. However, we can change that inside of the effects control. We can invert it so it's on the outside instead of on the inside. Also, a cool thing what we can do is we can of course change a lot of parameters. So if we want a certain color to stand out more, we can change that and also change the point of interest. So we can move where we want the chromatic aberration to be stronger or less. Let's change that back, and also we can move like a certain color to be more extreme, like make it very extreme offset. But let's change all of that back, and we can change here the strength of the RGB split. And this one I feel like is actually one that is quite interesting to play with, especially for music videos and also like any other transitions. We can also add this to a transition to have like a this RGB split happen while a transition happen. Another example that we can do with the VR chromatic aberration is actually to move it with the beat. So we can actually show you like a sample here how to do it. So we're gonna kind of fake it without actually doing a music. Let's set up the parameters that we want, like this. To 0, keyframe 5 frames to 100, and basically repeat this. So now we added a lot of the keyframe, and now we can see this pumping effect. If it would be on like a song on a beat, that'd be quite an interesting effect. So yeah, maybe something that you could think of, like what you can do with using this RGB split. So here we have it like this. So we've actually only changed the fall off and inverted it here. And if we turn off the invert, you can see how it looks like without the invert. So that's also quite cool if that happens on the beat, like for on certain music videos. And also instead of this more in the middle, like this is more left and right what is moving. If we change this point of interest to 180, we can see it moving up and down. This is also quite a cool effect for on your music video. So that was mainly it. Hope you guys liked this video, and please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button here below, and also make sure hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. And I'll see you guys the next time. Bye bye.